How to set up Autodeposit on Scotiabank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process to set up the Autodeposit on Scotiabank is simple. First of all, open and launch your application and log in. Once you log in using your credentials, you will see this page from where you have to select on the three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner, which is a menu icon. Tapping on it should take you to another page. Now click on Profile and Settings. After tapping on it, under Settings, you'll have to select on Manage Auto Deposit. Tap on it. On the next page, select on Select or Set Auto Deposit, and then you'll have to provide the email address where e-transfers will be linked. Select the amount or account which the funds should be deposited automatically to. Make sure to select on the registration email to proceed, and an email will be sent on the email address provided. Once this registration is completed, you can finalize the setup. If you prefer to decline, you can decline the option as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.